Hello and welcome to my tutorial of how to upload my 2.0 portal gun. First you'll want to open up the portal gun folder and drag it into your hierarchy. Unpack the prefab and drag it into your avatar. Then you'll want to open up to your hands on your avatar, like so. And then open up the portal gun and take the left hand, put it under the left hand, the right hand under the right hand, and the chest under the chest bone. Once you get that done, you can go up here to the VRC Labs tab and open up the Avatar Manager 3.0. Then you can take your avatar and drag it in here, go to the FX, add animator to merge, go into the animations folder and take the portal gun FX and hit merge content or merge on current. Now everything is merged and you can double check. See, everything is in here. Everything looks good. Now you need to go here and add these two, portal gun and potato, to your FX, or to your parameter. They're both bools. Then go to your menu and make a subtoggle. Submenu and find the portal gun sub portal gun right there. And there's a picture, you can choose one, doesn't really matter. Now it should be ready to upload. And if you're using a different avatar, you will probably need to move around the portal gun and scale it. So if you need to scale it, you take this and scale that, and you can make it bigger or smaller. If you need to move it, you can go into the portal gun armature, click on the body, and see how it's on the chest. You can move the chest bone however you like on the avatar. And then you can go to back here, change that to 0, and change this to 1, and then it will go onto the arm. And then you can change wherever the right arm is, however you like. And then you can do, you can't really see where the left hand is, but it should be like in the palm of the hand, like in the middle, around there. And that should be about it. Once you finished moving everything around, you just go back to the body and make the chest bone 1, and that should be it.